So if we have a clip and we want to flip it, we can search for flip in our effects, and it's under transform, and we've got flip horizontal or flip vertical here, which will flip it vertically. And then also, if we duplicate this again and delete the flip effect, for this one we've got the mirror effect, which allows you to mirror the video around a certain point. So the reflection center here is 1920 by 540. So basically, you can see when I'm doing it, it's rotating it around this point over here, so halfway down, and then on the right hand side. So I can actually change this, and it will change kind of where it's rotating around as well. So you can make different kind of things happen. There's also the reflection center. If we highlight that, we can just move this pointer around, and it will allow us to decide where the center is, which might be a bit easier. Okay. That actually looks kind of cool.